Hi, it's another unboxing video and I have got Cosy candles. So this is how it arrives. I haven't opened it up yet, so it is a little bit of a surprise for me. Cosy Candles is a scented soy wax melt subscription. I was recently contacted by the owner of Cosy Candles asking if I would like to receive a free box in exchange for an unboxing review video on my channel, and they sent me a box a couple of months ago. I think it's back in June, and I loved it, absolutely loved it. So I said yes, definitely, thank you. I've still got some wax melts left over from the other box, but as you'll see as I show you, they're quite big and you only need a tiny little chunk, so you break them off. So mine are looking pretty tatty, or little bits everywhere, but they still go in, so they do last a long while. So I'll just open it up and show you what I've got. They come in 2 subscriptions. This one is the larger wax melt pods, and there's 6 inside, and it costs £14.99 per month, and that's including free shipping. And then you've got the option to go for a £9.99 subscription box, which has got, I believe it's 28 mini tiny little heart-shaped wax melts as well. So you've got that option. If you do, I can't open it. Hold on. So if you're interested in this subscription, you are locked in for 3 months, but then after that you're free to cancel any time. As long as you cancel within 7 months of your renewal date for the following month, then all is okay. If you want to try before you buy, so to speak, they do offer one-off boxes, and there's a selection on their website, and they're a couple of pound more. So for instance, this £14.99 box would cost you about £16–17, so a few extra pounds. But if it's something that you're not quite sure if you fancy a subscription but you want to try, then I think that's a good option. I have a 30% off code. Which came with a box, and I'll link it down below, but there it is. So 30% off your first subscription. So all information, as always, I will link down below, and click on the show more, bring up the description, and it'll all be down there. I have got the £14.99 larger pod subscription. So this is what it looks like as you open it up. So this is the August box, and it's sit back, relax, and be surrounded by wonderful summery scents with this month's collection. And oh my gosh, oh wow, oh, it tells you exactly what you've got there, so I'll show you. So the packaging is really lovely. So that's what it looks like inside the box. As you can see, they are really, really large. I will open them up and I'll give you a closer look. But inside the box you get a leaflet which explains how to use your Cosy pods. So they say that your Cosy pods are approximately 80 grams each. Simply break a small amount off either by snapping or cutting. We recommend no less than a quarter. Place your chosen scent in the warmer's designated wax space, usually on top. Turn your warmer on. Our melts can be used in either a tea light or electric warmer. Sit back and enjoy heavenly scent. When you have finished your wax melt, simply warm the wax, and once the wax is pliable, pop out the wax into the bin. Give the wax warmer a wipe with a clean cloth and choose your next scent. And then on the back it just tells you how to dispose of it safely and everything, so that's handy to know. The scents are quite powerful, they're really, really strong. So in a small room it might be a little bit overpowering, but that's not bad. It just depends on your taste. They are gorgeous, they do smell exactly like what it says on the box, and they do last a long while. It's not like, you know, you start burning it, it smells for the first hour or so and then the smell is gone. It's not, it's continuous, and it stays even when the warmer has been turned off or the tea light has been blown out. The smell still remains in the room, which is really, really nice. So I'll just show you what these are individually. So the first one we got is green tea. Ooh. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It is really nice. I'll just pop it out to show you quickly. So there you go. So it looks rather large. There you go, there. So there's 6 of these pods in the box, and they say that there's over 480 hours of fragrance, which is mad. Which is good, it's good. So then the next one is, what is it? Ocean Breeze. Oh, that's so nice. Really, really nice. Just reminds me of like washing. I normally go for like washing scents of like Ocean Breeze and fresh smells like that for my clothes washing. No, that's nice, really nice. Gardenia is the next one. Oh, that's nice. I couldn't think what Gardenia smelt like, but it does. I recognise the smell now. It is really lovely. Oh, it's nice. I'm showing you. There's not much to show. Just a wax melt. But no, the smell is gorgeous. I think that one's my favourite so far. Ooh, Baltic Amber and Clove. Is that one? I'm not keen on clove smells. I don't like it normally, but we'll see. Oh. Oh, that is nice. I was expecting, with cloves, sometimes if you take a big sniff, it's a sort of scent that goes right to the back of your nose, you know, right to the back of your throat. But no, this one is lovely. What is it? Baltic Amber. Oh, it's not what I expected whatsoever. It smells really nice. Yeah, quite subtle. No, I like it. Then we got Citronella, which is amazing. Try and get rid of nasties when you're outside. So handy for sitting, if you like sitting outside in the hot weather. Got loads of bugs around you, wasps and all that. Oh, they hate this, absolutely hate it. But yeah, I love it. It's like a lemony sort of smell. Reminds me a bit of Jif. But no, really nice and handy to have actually. So I'm not sure why I would put that in the house, but I definitely use that outside. And the last one, oh, Raspberry Ripple. A nice pink one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that just smells like raspberry ice cream. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's really nice. Oh, that one's my favourite. That is my favourite, and I'm going to try that later. The others are nice as well. There's nothing that I don't like. The only one that I thought I wasn't going to like would be the Baltic Amber and Clove, but it surprised me, and it's quite nice actually. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for Cosy Candles for sending me this box. Really, really appreciate it, and really lovely, and I'll definitely be using them. And if you're interested in subscribing, check out the links down below. I'll pop the 30% off code and everything down there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.